Apple is about to change everything you think you know about technology again. Can you imagine a world where your devices don't just follow your commands, but actually anticipate your every move? On April 1, 2026, Apple turns 50 years old. This is not just another birthday. This is not a symbolic milestone. This is the moment the tech world has been waiting for. This is the turning point. For 5 decades, Apple has changed the way we live. They gave us the first personal computer. They gave us the iPhone. They gave us the AirPods. But the 50th anniversary event is different. Everything that came before this will feel like a prototype. Apple is moving away from simple gadgets and stepping into a bold AI-driven future. This event is being treated as a once-in-a-generation moment. It is a merger of Apple's legendary history and a future we have only seen in science fiction movies. The date April 1st holds a deep, almost poetic significance. Back in 1976, Steve Jobs and Steve Wozniak started Apple in a small, dusty garage. They didn't have much money, but they had a dream to change the world. Fast forward 50 years, and Apple is now the most valuable company on the planet. But they aren't looking back with just nostalgia. They aren't interested in just showing old photos of the founders. They are looking forward. This anniversary is being compared to the biggest shifts in the company's history. Think of it like the move from Intel to Apple Silicon. It is the start of a new era. It is an era where artificial intelligence is at the heart of every single product you touch. The leaks from the supply chain are massive. They suggest that Apple is preparing a lineup of hardware that will redefine your daily life. Let's start with what you'll be wearing on your ears. The AirPods Max 2 are finally coming. Let's be honest, the original AirPods Max were great, but they started to feel old. The charging was outdated. The chip was lagging. Now, Apple is fixing everything. They are adding the H3 chip. This chip is a total game changer. It makes active noise cancellation incredibly fast. Imagine sitting in a loud, crowded airport. People are shouting and engines are roaring. You put these on, and suddenly there is total silence. It's like a vacuum of peace. But the H3 chip does more than just block noise. It uses ultra-low latency processing to map the acoustics of the room you are in. It creates a 3D soundstage that feels like you are sitting in a private concert hall. It will also have conversation awareness. This means your music will adjust perfectly when you start talking to someone. You won't have to take them off. The line between digital sound and the real world is about to disappear. While these will still be expensive, the new tech finally justifies that premium price tag. For the first time, we are seeing a pair of headphones that thinks about what you want to hear before you even know it, but Apple isn't just stopping at your ears. They are coming for your living room. The Apple TV and HomePod are getting a massive AI makeover. The new Apple TV 4K will be a beast. It will have a chip so powerful that it offers console-level gaming. We are talking about ray tracing and high frame rate performance that rivals the biggest consoles on the market. You might not even need a PlayStation or an Xbox anymore. It's not just for movies. It's becoming a central hub for your smart home. With Wi-Fi 7, it will be faster than anything you've used. It will act as the brain of your house. At the same time, the HomePod Mini is getting the upgrade it desperately needs. The current model is a bit limited. It can't handle the heavy lifting required for the next generation of Siri. The new version will have a massive neural engine. Apple wants every device in your house to talk to each other. They want a seamless, intelligent ecosystem. Imagine walking from your living room to your kitchen, and your podcast follows you perfectly from the big speakers to the small ones. Imagine your home knowing when you are tired and dimming the lights without you saying a word. This is the smart home we were promised years ago. Now, let's talk about the iPad. Even the budget-friendly 12th generation iPad is getting a boost. Usually, the base iPad gets the leftovers. Not this time. It will use the same architecture as the latest iPhones. This means AI is no longer just for the people who buy the Pro models. Even the most affordable tablet will handle text generation and intelligent photo editing. It makes the iPad a powerhouse for students and creators on a budget. It will be able to summarize entire textbooks in seconds. It will be able to edit 4K video without breaking a sweat. This is Apple democratizing power. But for the pros, the Mac lineup is where the real power lives. The Mac Mini and Mac Studio are getting the M5 chips. The performance gains are going to be staggering. We are looking at a jump in efficiency that makes the M1 look like ancient history. The Mac Studio with the M5 Ultra will handle video editing and AI model training like it's nothing. It will have memory bandwidth that used to require a massive server room. This is professional power in a box that fits on your desk. For developers and researchers, this is the holy grail. It allows for local AI processing that keeps your data private while giving you the speed of a supercomputer. Finally, we might see the return of a legend. Rumors are flying about a larger iMac. People have been asking for this for years. Whether it is 27 inches or 30 inches, this iMac Pro is a tribute to Apple's roots. Apple started with desktop computing. The iMac has always been a symbol of design. This new machine might even have design elements from the early years, perhaps a nod to the translucent colors or the sleek curves of the past. It will be a blend of nostalgia and futuristic tech. It's a collector's item and a professional workstation all in one. This 50th anniversary is about making a lasting impact. It's about showing the world that Apple is still the leader. If you are thinking about buying a new device right now, you might want to stop. You might want to wait just a little longer. The products coming in April 2026 will be the most iconic in history. Buying a current-gen Mac or iPad right now might feel like buying a horse and buggy right before the car was invented. Looking at the big picture, 2026 is the most important year for tech in a decade. This is about more than just faster chips or better screens. It is about a new way of interacting with the world. Apple knows that a 50th anniversary is a rare opportunity. They are determined to make it count for you, the consumer. This means the future is about to get a lot more interesting. We are moving toward a world where your phone, your watch, your computer, and your home all think together. This is the AI-first era. Apple is positioning itself to lead the next 10 years. They aren't just selling you a phone anymore. They are selling you an intelligent partner. If the rumors are even half true, the products unveiled in 2026 will change our lives forever. In my opinion, this is the most exciting time to be an Apple fan. For years, people said Apple stopped innovating. They said the updates were boring. They said the iPhone was just the same thing every year. This event is the answer to those critics. It is a loud, clear statement that the king of tech isn't going anywhere. We aren't just seeing faster speeds. We are seeing a whole new way of using technology. We are seeing hardware and software merge into a single, living experience. If these upgrades are as massive as the leaks suggest, Apple will once again leave every other company in the dust. The wait will definitely be worth it. This isn't just a celebration of the past 50 years. It's a preview of the next 50. I truly believe that the integration of the H3 chip and the M5 series will set a benchmark that competitors won't reach for years. Apple is finally moving Siri from a basic assistant to a genuine digital companion that understands context, emotion, and intent. This is the leap we've been waiting for. If you liked the video, subscribe to the channel, share the video with your friends, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update on the future of tech.